In this problem, we'll see how to use the power rule with negative exponents. Let's look at our helpful hint. First, remove the parentheses by using the power rule for exponents. Then write the expression using only positive exponents. Here's our expression that we want to simplify. Notice we have a fraction inside parentheses, and the fraction is being raised to the second power. And the numerator of the fraction has three different factors. Each factor in the numerator needs to be raised to the second power, or squared. So in the numerator, we're going to have 5 squared. A to the negative 2 also gets squared. And then b squared. We also need to raise our denominator to the second power. So we have a squared in the denominator. Now we'll simplify this. We know 5 squared is 25. A to the negative 2 being raised to the second power, we have a rule that says we multiply those exponents. So a to the negative 4, and the b squared, and the a squared in the denominator. Next, we need to use this rule that tells us if we have something being raised to a negative exponent, we can move it to the other side of the fraction and change the exponent to a positive. Here we have a to the negative 4. I can move that to the denominator and make it a to the positive 4. Everything else stays where it is. This now comes to the denominator, and I have a to the positive 4. The last step here is to multiply in the denominator, and when we multiply, we add the exponents. So a squared times a to the 4th, add the exponents and get a to the 6th. And there's our final answer. So remember, when simplifying expressions like this, first use the power rule to get rid of the parentheses, and then use the rule for negative exponents.